Welcome to the only dedicated Zontes maintenance hub on YouTube. So let's talk about the Tyre pressure monitoring system. German sensors are used on all Zontes motorbikes and scooters. Very rare for them to not give accurate readings. The sensors will throw up a yellow tire icon on your dashboard if your tire is not within the recommended pressure value. The set value is 36 psi up to 40 psi. So if your tire pressure is not within this range, your bike will illuminate the tire icon on your dashboard. Then you can see which tire is not within range. Then you can inflate whichever tire requires your attention. On the very odd occasion the sensor may not communicate with the ECU. Then you can follow this video to go into the learning mode for either the front or rear tire. So your bike can relearn the pressure reading from the sensor. I tend to set my pressure for my GK 350 at 36 psi. The bike handles well at this pressure. Some riders may want to set the front tire pressure to 32 psi. That's okay. It's all to do with rider preference. The ECU will throw up the tire low pressure icon. But just ignore it. I have slowed the video down, as there is a lot of reading on the video. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. Until next time. Regards, Mad Mick.
I'm coming for the throne.